In the course of some proverbial fine-tuning, Audi Sport is increasing the sportiness of the 2023 Audi RS4 Avant and Audi RS5. The new competition package is bursting with extras that both sharpen the car's appearance and make for a more emotional driving experience. With its optional coilover suspension called the RS Sport Suspension Pro, the Competition Plus package boasts a maximum in dynamics and driving fun, while not compromising its top suitability for everyday use. Reduced insulation between the engine compartment and the interior means the RS4 Avant and RS5 will thrill customers with an exciting, next-level sound experience. The potent bi-turbo V6 has 450 PS of power and a torque of 600 Nm from 1,900 to 5,000 RPM. The Audi RS4 Avant and RS5 with the competition packages will be available from dealers starting July. Prices for the package start at €7,875 for the competition package and €11,875 for the competition plus package.